Welcome to Science with Violet. Today we're going to be making a cloud in a bottle.
Okay, now this is an easy one that you parents can do with your kids at home. All you're gonna need is an empty bottle and some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol from your local dollar store. Or you might already have this in the bathroom. Okay, so first take the top off the bottle.
Okay.
And we're gonna pour in a little bit of alcohol.
Not too much. That's so green. It looks like Jello.
We're gonna use the green alcohol so we can see what's going on. It's easier to see it. Now let's put the cap back on the bottle.
Shake it up.
Nice and tight.
So it doesn't.
Shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. There you go, there we go. Okay, now, in order for clouds to form, you need a little bit of pressure. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna twist the bottle up now. Okay?
Twist it.
Twist it up nice and tight. Everyone at home see that? Twisted the bottle up nice and tight. Okay, now, when we let it go, we should get a cloud inside the bottle. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Everyone at home ready?
Oh my God.
That's right, a cloud in a bottle. Wait, what happens when we twist it back up? The cloud disappeared.
Let me try.
Hold it on both sides. That's right.
Wait, why does it look like a real cloud?
You know how this works? Just like real clouds in the sky,
And use water bottles.
whenever there's a high pressure system in the sky, you have clear skies and there's no clouds. But when you release the pressure and you make low pressure, go ahead.
Like this.
You get a cloud in the bottle. Just like in the sky, low pressure makes clouds. Tell them.
Low pressure makes clouds. Now this.
Now let's see. Let's twist it.
I can't twist it because this water bottle.
Put your goggles on.
Ready?
Put your goggles on. Eye safety. We're gonna take the cap off.
Oh no.
I want to see the cloud escape from the bottle. You ready?
Yes.
There's your cloud.
I gotta go get the cap because the cap flew away. Our poor cat. Thanks for watching Science with Violet. If you want to see more, go to sciencewithviolet.com. Bye-bye.